In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable required password for Airplay Receiver on iPhone on iOS 18. So when you're trying to stream or share your Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone, you can set a unique password whether you are enabling Airplay Receiver for one user or for everyone. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on General. Once you selected that, scroll down and then select Airplay and Continuity. Then on the Airplay and Continuity page, you want to scroll down and tap on Require Password. Now once you tap on Require Password, you'll be prompted to enter new Airplay password. Then go ahead and type in your new Airplay password. Then click on OK. Then you should see Require Password enabled. Then swipe down a bit as well. Then you will see Set Airplay Password. If you click on this, then you should see an option to delete the existing Airplay password and then enter a new Airplay password. So this you can simply set Airplay password on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.